Hi, I'm Helen. Helen of Troy. Surprised? Not the Helen you imagined. Not the one for whom 1,000 ships were launched. Well, life is full of surprises.
My parents decided to hire an etiquette teacher for my sister and me. By etiquette, they meant life skills. By life skills, they meant conforming to social norms. Mrs. Stanley Boyd, nee Miss Virginia Parton, was affectionately referred to as the Ox by my sister.
I need not to be left alone, not alone. I can't be trusted. I won't be able to focus. I will succumb. I will succumb.
I was brought by the women to the bath, to cleanse, to rub off the filth, to beautify, to see myself and prepare to be seen. They undressed me slowly, wondering how time had changed me. They saw the change in themselves, but what it had done to me. Was I immune to the change? Would they see the passage of time on my body, in my face, my neck, my breasts, my stomach, my arms, my hips, my legs, my thighs? Was I immune? He makes me assume this position. Could you count to 100, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You can
12,
go a little faster, can't
13,
you?
14, 15, 16, 17,
That's
18,
better.
19,
1,000 ships, 1,000 sailing, launching ships, deployed to save me. Save me. Save me. From whom? For whom? And now that I am saved, what's next? How will I be remembered? Helen of Troy, destroyer of ships, destroyer of men, destroyer of cities. She is the cause. She is the cause, my soul. But I'm just a name, a local legend, nothing more. It could have been anyone. Why me? Are the men not to blame? Aren't they the ones wielding the swords, making the decisions, sacrificing their daughters so their ships can sail? Why me? I will be forever held in this gender prison. My fate is set in stone. There is no going back. I will be always remembered as the woman who caused this war, while the men are always going to be rewarded with eternal glory. I am the insipid, foolish woman responsible for all the men who died.
Hi, I'm Helen. Helen of Troy. Surprised? Well, life is full of surprises.